Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this red eyeshadow look with a golden halo cut crease, so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So first, starting off, I'm going to be using my red Snazaroo body paint as a base for my eyeshadow. I felt that this was so much easier than trying to pack on a red eyeshadow onto my lid until I'm happy with the pigmentation. This was just a lot more easier, and I love this body paint because it doesn't stain your skin, so it just made it a lot easier for me to build up the color. And I'm also just using like a dome fluffy brush to pack this on. So next I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques brush and dipping into my Morphe 35B palette with the red shade, and I'm going to use this to blend out the edges of this base so it's not so harsh, and also just to set everything. I also take that red eyeshadow base down to the lower lash line just because I want to make sure that the entire eye is blown out and looks cohesive. Taking that same red eyeshadow, just gonna blend out the lower lash line. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'm dipping into Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just using this to really blend out that red along the edges because I want to give like an ombre effect from going into a red to kind of like an orangey tone. This is really going to help diffuse the entire look and make it look seamless. Now with a denser blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and pack on Jax to the outer and inner corner of the eye. This is just to add more depth to the look and make it look more three-dimensional. Next, I'm just taking a pencil brush and dipping into Abyss, which is just a black eyeshadow, and I'm going right over Jax, packing this on the outer corner. Just be very careful when you do this. You don't want to put too much because it could really ruin the whole look and get too messy too quick, so take your time. Now to blend that out, I'm going to be going back in with that Real Techniques brush that we used to pack on the red with no extra product, and I'm just going to use this to blend out the edges of the black. The trick is to use a different brush when you're blending out black, that way it doesn't get really like muddy and dirty on you. It just blends out so much easier if you're using a different brush. I'm taking a e.l.f. brush just to pack on some of that red to the center of the lid because I kind of felt like it got a little dark and I just wanted to brighten up that area. I'm going back in with more of Jax and I'm going to blend out those edges. Go ahead and run a little bit of Jax on your lower lash line. Now I'm just taking a little bit of that black eyeshadow and putting it in my lower lash line. You don't have to put too much here because we are going to be filling in our waterline with black eyeliner, so this is just going to help blend that out. You can totally stop here, pop on some lashes, and you'll be good, but not for me. I'm extra, so I have to add some glitter. I'm going to be using my NYX Glitter Glue and a thin, flat, like craft brush to cut the center of my crease, and we're just going to be doing a halo. So you want to take this in the center of the lid and kind of drag it out towards the side, and then I just bring it down the center of my lid. For glitter, I'm using my Ben Nye powder in the shade Ice Gold, and I'm using that same brush just to pack this right over the top of that glitter glue. To highlight our inner corner, I'm going to be taking Gilded Honey from Laura Geller, and I'm just going to quickly add some lashes and then also highlight my brow bone. Sometimes highlighting the brow bone can kind of overpower the shadow, so you just want to blend the shadow and the brow bone together. Add some mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in black. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then like I said, add black eyeliner to your waterline. This just completes the entire look. Moving on, I'm going to be using my NYX lip liner in the shade Need Me just to outline my lips. You can kind of just blend the corners of your lip liner a little bit. I'm topping that off with the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Paints in the shade Tongue Tied, and then also with the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Tease. This nude lip is super flattering and it looks very well with the eyeshadow. If you don't want your lips to be too bold and overpower the eyeshadow, you can totally go for this look, but I wanted to give y'all two lip options. So for the second lip, I'm going to be lining my lips with another NYX lip liner in the shade Brown Perfection. This one was left in the car and sadly it melted a little bit, but it still works. I look like Chucky's bride with this lip liner. I'm filling my lips with another Infallible lip paint in the shade Cinna-Bomb. This is such a pretty brown, like reddish undertoned lip. I absolutely love it. It's a little dark, so it may be too much for some people, but I don't know, I was kind of feeling like the dark, grungy goth look, and I went ahead and just added a little bit of gloss on top. I wasn't really feeling like a matte girl today, I just wanted to have glossy lips. But yeah, that actually completes this look. Like I said, I wanted to give you guys two lip options, so you could either go with this really pretty brown lip, or you could even switch it up and go back with the nude lip if you felt like, the brown was just a little too bold. You have enough going on with the eyes. But I really love how this look turned out. If you guys liked how it looks and you want to try it out for yourself, definitely tag me in your pictures. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you're obsessed with this look as much as I am. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Oh,